Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to use AliExpress for dropshipping. So in AliExpress application you should search for products with good reviews, low prices, reliable seller and fast shipping. And those products will be the items that you resell basically. And I highly recommend you to save links to the products that you want to sell, or save photos because you will upload them in your own store. Next, create a store using external platforms such as TikTok Shop, Instagram Shop, or Amazon, whatever suits you the best. And then upload the product photos, write description for your item, and set your price higher than what you'll pay on AliExpress to make a profit. And when someone places an order on your shop, go back to AliExpress, make an order, and enter your customer's name and shipping address at checkout. And the seller on AliExpress will ship the product directly to your customer. And the best thing about dropshipping in AliExpress is that you don't need to hold any inventory. And one more thing, that you should always update your customer with tracking information and handle any questions. If your customer has any questions, you should answer them as soon as possible. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.